Hey, this is working. Whoa, the elevator's here? Noise.
Coiny's riding the elevator and is about to sabotage my only activated beacon. This is unacceptable.
What? I might actually win. Should we
Sabotage Book's beacon?
sabotage Book's beacon? Yeah. Anyway.
Don't even think about it.
Oh, you wanna fight, huh? Well, how about this? Oh.
We missed.
Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay!
Yay! The Needleifier's back! Hi, Fries! I see your spirit's still alive and well!
What?
You know, since you died with piles of yoyolite in your head last episode, it's allowing you to recover yourself!
Oh, I just thought I was really cool. Whatever.
What? You guys came all the way over to recover me? I thought I wasn't a member.
But you are totally awesome!
Yeah, come on, back to the challenge. Activate top formation.
I don't want to climb that again!
Then don't. You can lose, and I'll win. Just stop being so needy.
Don't call me.
Oof! Ow! Ow! Yay! There! Now no one will be able to turn off my switch. And